Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a curious little girl named Lily. Lily had a wild imagination and a heart full of adventure. One sunny morning, Lily woke up with a twinkle in her eyes. She had heard a mysterious legend about a hidden treasure deep within the enchanted forest. Determined to find it, she packed a small bag with a map, her favorite snacks, and a trusty magnifying glass. Lily skipped through the village, waving goodbye to her friends and family, who wished her luck on her exciting quest. As she entered the forest, the tall trees whispered secrets and the leaves danced with delight. Following the map's twists and turns, Lily came across a sparkling stream. She knelt down and used her magnifying glass to examine the water. To her surprise, she spotted tiny shimmering fish, each one a different color. They swam gracefully, guiding her deeper into the forest. As Lily ventured further, she stumbled upon a clearing filled with magical creatures. There were talking rabbits, singing birds, and mischievous fairies. They welcomed her with open arms, offering their help to find the treasure. As the wish echoed through the forest, the waterfall split in two, revealing a hidden cave behind it. Excitement filled Lily's heart as she stepped into the mysterious cave, her footsteps echoing through the darkness. As the wish echoed through the forest, the waterfall split in two, revealing a hidden cave behind it. Excitement filled Lily's heart as she stepped into the mysterious cave, her footsteps echoing through the darkness. Inside, she discovered a treasure chest, covered in gold and precious jewels. But instead of taking it all for herself, Lily realized that the real treasure was the journey itself. She decided to share the treasure with her newfound friends in the forest, promising to always cherish their magical adventures together. With the treasure chest in hand, Lily returned to the village, where her friends and family gathered to hear her tale. She shared her adventures, the creatures she met, and the lessons she learned. The village celebrated her bravery and kindness, and Lily became known as the girl who discovered the true meaning of treasure. From that day forward, Lily's village and the enchanted forest lived in harmony. The creatures and fairies continued to visit, sharing their magic and laughter. And whenever Lily felt the itch for adventure, she would return to the forest, knowing that the real. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.